5 minus 2 gives us 3, and again 5 minus 2 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct. Some people solve this problem differently. What they do is they solve the problem left to right? So they go and they start from 5 and they end by subtracting 2, and they just operate like this. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 minus 2 is equal to 30. But again, this answer is wrong, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, that I am going to write here. So here is the rule. So this is an acronym we use to describe the rule of order of operation. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to solve all the parentheses first, and after we solve all the parentheses first, only then we are allowed to move to exponent. And after we solve all the exponents are powers like this that are written on top of numbers. So these are called exponent, and after we solve all of this, we have to move to multiplication or division. So multiplication and division have equal priority. We have to solve them left to right, and then finally we are allowed to move to addition or subtraction. So if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? Because multiplication should be solved first, or should be solved before subtraction or before addition. So that is the logic of this rule, and it gives consistent answer every single time to everybody, so everybody would get similar answer and we wouldn't argue on mathematical expressions, like, right? So that is the idea of the rule. So here we have a subtraction and a multiplication. So what should we do first? Well, the thing is, we have to do the multiplication. We have to start the operation in the middle, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So 2 times 5 gives us 10, and 5 minus 10 minus 2 is going to be the equation, and now we have to do the equation left to right. So 5 minus 10 gives us negative 5, and negative 5 minus 2 gives us negative 7. So the final answer to this question is negative 7.